Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of exporting stickers from private groups on Telegram using the latest update on the PC app. If you've been trying to figure out how to save or back up the stickers shared in your private groups, this simple method will get it done quickly. Let's dive right in. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, look at the top left corner of the window and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open up the main menu where you can access all of your settings and features. Next, from the menu that appears, click on Settings. Inside the Settings panel, you'll see a variety of options, but what we're interested in is the Advanced section. Go ahead and select that. Now, inside the Advanced settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Export Telegram Data. This is the tool that allows you to back up and extract different types of content from your account. Click on it to open the export options. Here's the important part. You'll see a list of items that you can choose to export. Since we only want the stickers from private groups, make sure to check the box that says Private Groups. After that, scroll down further and you'll see an option for stickers. Tick this box as well to include stickers in your export. Once you've selected private groups and stickers, click on Export to begin the process. Depending on the amount of data and the size of your groups, this process may take a little bit of time. When the export is finished, you'll see an option that says, Show My Data. Click on it, and you'll be able to access the files that have just been generated. Inside, you'll find your stickers neatly saved and available for you to use or keep backed up. And that's it! With just a few quick steps, you can now save stickers from your private groups directly using the Telegram app on PC. This feature makes it much easier to manage your content safely and keep the things you love accessible anytime. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try out the process yourself.